So children, now we will see International Trade Organization, which is given on the page number 70 right side. So you can see various trade organizations are given. So why this was formed, what is the reason behind it, we will see. Carrying out trade at an international trade level is a more complex process than domestic trade. Trade takes place between two or more nations. Factors like economy of the country, government policies, market laws, judicial system, currency, language, etc. influence the trade. So children, already we know that economy of a country, government policies, market law, judicial system, currency, language, etc. which really influence the trade. If any country is having liberal trading policy, then it will be very easy for the other countries to have trading with that country. Understood? So already I told you that any country should have, as we our country, we are having very liberal trading policy, and really which attract foreign investment to our country. This is a very plus point for our country. Understood? So it should be there. Government or judicial system should be very liberal. It should be very we can say very conducive for the other countries, or very favorable in the for the other countries. The political relations between two countries also influence the trading between them. So we can take example of so many countries which are there. Between so many countries there is not good trading relation or political relation, because political relation is the basis of trading relation. Understood? Unless any country is not politically sound or not having good political government system, so that country is really going to face problem in terms of trading. Understood? So it should be very good. Sometimes the obstacles in the way of trading affect the mutual relationship adversely. To avoid this, international economic and trade organizations come up. To smoothen and justify the process of trade between countries or different economic standing, some international economic organizations were formed. These organizations work towards the facilitation and growth of international trade. The details of few organizations have been given here in the following table. So children, so many organizations which is there in your page number 71, all these organizations was formed in the view of trading between two countries, how the trading should be done very smoothly. So different organization, so it was decided that all over the world, the country, so many countries, they felt that some organization should be formed so that trading should be done very easily. Understood? So we will see one by one. So in this page number 40, you can see the picture of head office of the World Trade Organization. Their headquarter is in Geneva, that is Switzerland. So headquarter of ASEAN, that is headquarter is in Jakarta, Indonesia. So we'll see one by one. So it is very important that all over the world, if they want to have smooth trading relationship or trading, so some organization were formed in view to help those countries. Understood? So now we will see one by one those organization.